Unit 8. Vocabulary. Page 100. Exercise 2. Listen, point, and say.
Cotton, cotton. Gold, gold. Leather, leather. Metal, metal. Plastic, plastic. Silk, silk. Silver, silver. Spotted, spotted. Wood, wood. Wool, wool.
Unit 8. Vocabulary. Page 100. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and match the materials to the accessories.
I'm here in the workshop where Aiden and Athena are making some great accessories. Let's find out how they do it. So here we have lots of jewelry. I can see rings, necklaces, and earrings. Aiden, have you made these with plastic?
Hi, Luna. No, we haven't. All these pieces are made of gold and silver. We melt the material into a liquid and cool it in shapes.
Wow, they're beautiful. And what about this belt? Have you used metal for this?
Yes, we have. This part, the buckle, is made of metal. It is hard and strong. The rest of the belt is leather, so it's flexible.
Oh, great! Now I'm going to talk to Athena over here. She is making some clothes. Athena, what have you used to make these clothes?
Well, this shirt is made of cotton and this one is silk. The sweater here is made of wool, so it's very warm.
Oh, great! And what are these combs made of?
The combs are made of wood.
And finally, I can see a spotted umbrella here. Have you used metal?
No, I haven't. The umbrella needs to be light, but metal is heavy. So for this, I used plastic.
Great! And how long has this workshop been open?
We've had the workshop for 3 years now.
Congratulations! Thank you for showing me around.
Read and circle.
There's a great synthetic leather bag with beautiful golden stars on the side. I want to buy. The handles are made of metal that is silver color. I also found a beautiful wool jumper that looks very warm. It has a nice spotted pattern that goes very well with bag. You can see it on the wood table.
Look, discuss, and write sentences.
I can see some leather purses. I can see some wool jumpers. I can see some silk scarf. I can see a plastic bag.